So this customer here has reported that her AC was said to be dead completely. When I opened up the compartment, I found it very dirty. I did find the SPSS Booster disconnected, as well as here this common terminal disconnected from the capacitor. For all we know, the capacitor is the problem, and that's why it's not starting. So we're about to check the capacitor. I have a suspicion that it's a bad capacitor, and this was prematurely condemned, even though it's in rough shape. Probably can still run. We'll find out shortly. Clean it up a little bit more. Make sure there's no cobwebs, or at least minimize the extent of the cobwebs. So I checked here to there for 24 volts. You can see that it's depressing the contactor. Check there's 240. There's 240. This thing here is not connected. Therefore, of course, it's not going to be running. The SPSS booster was disconnected deliberately, it seems. We're about to check out the capacitor. Stand by.